is what you must do in order to avoid being disqualified for the biggest airdrop in crypto in 2024. Now, I know a lot of us are very, very sad by what happened by Pixelverse. A lot of persons were scammed. You put in the effort and you didn't receive any airdrop. But do not worry, I have very good news for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do to stand a better chance of getting at least $1,000 in airdrop token, right? So without further ado, let me show you, right? Increasing your level is the number one strategy you do, right? Now, the strategies that Pixelverse use in disqualifying people, the benchmark that 75 million people subscribed to the tap gain and only 1 million people were given airdrop. So what happened to the 74 million persons? They were not eligible for airdrop, and the reason is because now they're eliminating those people is people that not putting effort, or people that did not get above level 5, they were not eligible for any airdrop, and do not allow that to happen to you in this Hamster Kombate airdrop. So to avoid this, what we are going to do is that we are going to open our Hamster Kombate. We are going to open our Hamster Kombate and always strive to increase your level. Now, at least get to the Grandmaster level. So let me show you. Let me turn on my screen recorder. So I open my Telegram here. So currently, you can see I am at Grandmaster level. I have my profit per hour over 2 million. So the thing is, get to at least there are how many levels? There are about 11. Be your case in this Hamster Kombate airdrop, right? We have learned our lessons, and it's about time now we learned 11 levels here. To try to get to at least Grandmaster or possibly like the Lord level, so that you will be eligible for the airdrop. So that if they are using like the level criteria, you will fall in there. Then the other thing, tip number 2 to qualify for the airdrop is getting to increasing your profit per hour. Make sure that you have over 2 million and above profit per hour, because one of the criteria they are going to use by Hamster Kombate is that they are going to use your level and a combination of your level and your profit per hour to determine the amount of airdrop you are going to get. So if you are not above 2 million or 3 million, watch my video on how to increase your profit per hour so that you'll be eligible for this massive airdrop. See, the truth is that there was the time I was also discouraged because of the effort that I put into Pixelverse, and I feel it was not commensurate with the airdrop I got. And don't let correction from what happened from Pixelverse, right? So let's do the right thing, and so that we can be eligible for this. And also, if you check on, so tip number 3, according to their Telegram group and their handle on X, they say that now the criterion for the airdrop is going to be based on like wallet activities and profit per hour. Profit per hour, emphasis on profit wallet activities. So they did not mention the wallet activities that they were talking about. And if you look at the interface now, they've worked on the UI. Now you see daily rewards, daily cipher, daily combo, and mini gain. I know a lot of you are discouraged now. You will no longer tap or do any of the daily ciphers or daily combo. But my recommendation is that ensure you at least do one of those things, so that if they are using the number 1 uses or the wallet activity, the number of engagement or number of interactions, now you'll be eligible. So in this video, I'll go to my daily reward. So for today, I'm going to claim it. Then I will do my daily cipher, my daily mods. I will do that, and understand. My daily combo for today, I will do that. So make sure you do that every day. Then tip number 4 is not knowing how to connect your wallet. This may sound a bit cliche and may sound like, come on, who doesn't know how to connect their wallet, right? But the truth is that persons don't know how to connect their wallet. So just imagine putting in all the effort and you do not receive your airdrop. Why? Because your wallet was not properly connected. So to that, it's pretty easy, right? So you download your Townkeeper, So you go to Play Store, your App Store, you look for Townkeeper and you collect address. So here on Townkeeper, you search for Townkeeper, and so this is it. I have it installed already. I'm going to open mine to or get it updated. So here, let me check Townkeeper. So here, so I have it opened. You just copy the wallet address and paste it there. So this is my wallet address. Just copy. So but to do that, you just click on receive. Then you copy your wallet address and you paste it. You go to your Hamster Kombate. You click on wallet. You click on airdrop. Then wallet. Click on connect wallet. But I've already done mine already. Then you paste it. So it's as easy as that. Then tip number 4. Kombate then introduced the mini game. I know a lot of persons hate the mini game, but then you may never know that may be the criteria they're going to use. So ensure you do your mini game every day. Now the thing is that now starting the mini game is a mind game actually. Now if you love puzzle, it wouldn't be a hard thing for you. But then if you don't, now there are a lot of tutorials on their Hamster web page. I also made a tutorial on how to do your mini game daily, so that you learn how to do this and get eligible for this. The truth is that when I started at first, I found it a bit difficult. I kept playing over and over again. Now I became very, very familiar with that. So please ensure that at least you do this at least 3 times or 2 times a day, as the case may be. And the last thing is referrals. Now, you may never know. And if you are a family here, and I would not leave anything to chance, so I will recommend, at least you recommend some persons. If you look out for people, your friends, you can tell them, oh, this way to earn like free money. You can just share your link with them, and they will jump in on yours. I also have my link on the description for those that have not started mining yet, so we can mine and grow together. But that being said, now here, if you check your friend here, I have over 10 persons like referred already. So you can try and like refer people, so that if they are using that as a criteria that, oh, you must be at maybe grandmaster and you must have maybe X amount of referrals as a criterion that you are going to be eligible. So I want you to explore all this. And one of the things that makes people different, like the winners different from the losers, is that the winners are relentless and they are very, very resilient. They don't give up. Now I know this Pixelverse is a major setback because I will not invest in them anymore. Now I'm not buying their tokens on decentralized exchange because I feel they are not worthy and they are not trustworthy people. But however, now we have another opportunity to make $2,000, $3,000 depending on the airdrop. And if you haven't subscribed to this amazing community, come on, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button or join the Telegram group where I drop amazing crypto updates and trading opportunities where you can become financially free. And I love you and I wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. It will give me great delight to ask questions. I love you. Until next time, Richard Sanaji. Cheers.